In the red corner, the fighting pride of Agusan del Norte Division, Neil June Mangubat. In his opponent across ring in the blue corner, the fighting pride of Agusan del Sur Division, Cirilo Palabrica. In third man of the action, Marin Fernandez of Bislig City. Judge 1, Hanier of Dinagat Islands. Judge 2, Congreso of Siargao Islands. Judge 3, Lesondra of Surigao City. Judge 4, Nakila of Surigao del Norte. Judge 5, Salira of Surigao del Sur. And this bout number 69 is under 17, under bantamweight category 52 to 54 kilograms. And this is scheduled for 3 rounds and 1 minute interval between rounds. Okay, referee instruction. This is bout number 69 between Agusan del Norte and Agusan del Sur. Round 1. Ladies and gentlemen, announcing to the result. After a minute round number 1, we have the winner by RSC Blue corner. Okay, bout number 70. Okay, bout number 70, boxers. And that is bout number 69.